हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, नाइस ट्यूटोरियल इंग्लिश क्लास को तुम समस्त को स्वागत। आज भिडियो पे तुम मान नहीं आसी आउ गोटे न्यू सब्जेक्ट मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन अर्थात माय ग्रेटेस्ट ओलंपिक प्राइज रो किसी सिलेक्टिव एमसीक्यू जहाँकि जेसी ओवेन्स के द्वारा लिखा जाइए। तो पिला माने चलो डेरी न करी आलोचना करबा किछि एमसीक्यू। प्रथम क्वेश्चन पिला माने रहउछि व्हेयर वेयर द 1936 समर ओलंपिक गेम्स हेल्ड। आउ थरे पढ़ी रखुछि व्हेयर वेयर द 1936 समर ओलंपिक गेम्स हेल्ड। ऑप्शंस आर इटाली, जर्मनी, बर्लिन, डबलिन। तो पिला माने राइट आंसर कोडा हबो तो माने पढ़िछो बर्लिन, इट इज द राइट आंसर। So next question को जीवु what were at an all time high। what were at an all time high। options are nationalistic feelings, superiority feelings, Hitler's master race theory, na competitive spirit of the athletes। what is the right answer? na option A, that is nationalistic feelings is the right answer। next question को पिला माने जीवु how long had Jesse trained keeping the games in mind। how long had Jesse trained keeping the games in mind। options are 6 year, 7 year, 8 year and 12 year। the right answer is option A, that is 6 years। next question को जीवा Owens had his eyes set especially on dash। Owens had his eyes set especially on dash। options are winning gold medals, beating Luz Long, na showing Hitler who was superior, na the long jump। what is the right answer पिलाए? ना option D, the long jump। next question को जीवा what was the world record set by Jesse Owens as a university student। what was the world record set by Jesse Owens as a university student। options are A 28 feet 6 and 1/4 inches, option B 26 feet 8 and 1/4 inches, option C 28 feet 4 and 1/6 inches, option D 26 feet 6 and 1/4 inches। सो पिला माने राइट आंसर कौन ना ऑप्शन बी 26 feet 8 and 1/4 inches इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जीवा पिला माने व्हाई डिड एवरीवन एक्सपेक्ट वेन्स टू विन द लॉन्ग जंप इजीली। व्हाई डिड एवरीवन एक्सपेक्ट वेन्स टू विन द लॉन्ग जंप इजीली। ऑप्शंस आर he had trained really hard for the event, B he was against Hitler's ways, na he had set a world record the previous year, na he had owned many long jump as a university student। पिले माने ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर, he had set a world record the previous year। नेक्स्ट को जीवा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पिले माने कौन देखिबा what was Owens determined। what was Owens determined। options are to prove master race theory wrong, B to beat Luz Long, C to show Hitler who was really superior, D to prove Hitler's ways wrong। option B is the right answer, to beat Luz Long। next question पिला माने जिबा who is or are referred to as der Fuhrer। options are Adolf Hitler, B Jesse Owens, C Luz Long, D Nazis। पिला माने तुम जानिछो ऑप्शन ए दैट इज एडोल्फ हिटलर इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा जेसी ओवेन्स वाज एन डैश एथलीट। जेसी ओवेन्स वाज एन डैश एथलीट। ऑप्शन ए निग्रो, बी अमेरिकन, सी जर्मन, डी नाजी। ऑप्शन बी दैट इज द अमेरिकन, इट इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पिला माने जीवा हाउ वाज ओवेन्स फर्स्ट ट्रायल जंप। How was Owens' first trial jump? A no jump, B he fell few inches away from the takeoff board, C he could not jump, D. The worst jump of his life. Option A, that is a no jump, is the right answer. Next question ପିଲାମାନେ ଯିବା. What did disgusted Owens do? A. Kicked at the ground. B. Gave out a loud cry. C. Kicked the pit. D. Walked away from the pit. ପିଲାମାନେ ତମେ ପଢ଼ିଛ. So option A is the right answer. Kick at the ground. Next question को जीवो. What was Owens trying to hide while talking to Long during the trials? आउ थरे पढ़ुची. What was Owens trying to hide while talking to Long during the trials? Options are his anger, his frustration, his nervousness, na his discomfort. पिलामाने what is the right answer? Na option C, his nervousness is the right answer. Next question को जीवो. Where was Luz Long schooled? Where was Luz Long schooled? Options are in Germany. B. In the Nazi youth movement. C. In an Aryan school. D. In the master race school. पिलामाने option B, in the Nazi youth movement, is the right answer. Next question. How did Owens qualify for the finals? How did Owens qualify for the finals? Options are with almost a foot to spare. B. With an inch more than long. C. With his hands down. Na with a world record. पिलामाने right answer कौन? ना option A, that is with almost a foot to spare. Next question को जीवो. Where did Owens walk over to that night? Where did Owens walk over to that night? Options are to the Olympic ground. B. To the Olympic village. C. Luz Long's room. D. To his coach's quarters. So पिलामाने C is the right answer. Luz Long's room. Okay. Next question को चलो जीवा.
A few moments later.
How long did Owens and Long talk? How long did Owens and Long talk? Options are for an hour, for 2 hours, for few hours, not till morning. Now option B, 2 hours. Okay, for 2 hours. Next question. Owens and Luz Long did not talk about this. को विषय से कथा हो नथिले हैला. ऑप्शन को जीवा. ट्रैक एंड फील्ड्स, themselves, the world situation, na other athlete. The option D, that is other athlete, is the right answer. Next question को जीवा. What did Owens know Luz wanted him to do? What did Owens know Luz wanted him to do? Options are give his best, let him win, try to beat him, na participate in the games. Option A, that is give his best, is the right answer. Next question को चलो जीवा. Who broke his own past record? किए तांकर प्रीवियस रेकर्ड अर्थात अतीत रेकर्ड को भांगी थिले. पिलामाने ऑप्शन को देखिबा. Luz Long. B. Jesse Owens. C. Both Long and Owens. D. None of them. कौन आंसर? ना ऑप्शन ए, Luz Long, is the right answer. Then next question को जीवा. What was the Olympic record set by Owens? से जो ओलंपिक रे Owens केते रेकर्ड करिथिले देखिबा. ऑप्शंस आर 26 feet 8 and 1 upon 4 inches. Option B, 28 feet 6 and 1 upon 4 inches. C, 26 feet 5 and 1 upon 4 inches. D, 28 feet 8 and 1 4 inches. पिलामाने तमे पढ़िजो. Option C is the right answer, that is 26 feet 5 and 1 upon 4 inches. Okay. Next question. Who was or were by the narrator's side congratulating him for the win? Options are Jesse Owens, Adolf Hitler, Luz Long, na other American athlete. के थिले ना Luz Long. Option C is the right answer. तो पिलामाने next question को जीवा. What was the greatest Olympic prize for Jesse Owens? What was the greatest Olympic prize for Jesse Owens? Options are setting the Olympic record, na proving Hitler wrong, ना beating Hitler's best athlete, ना the friendship of Luz Long. Option D is the right answer, that is the friendship of Luz Long. Next question ଯିବା, who is the father of the modern Olympic games? who is the father of the modern Olympic games? Options are Jesse Owens, ना Perry de Coubertin, ना Luz Long, ना Adolf Hitler. ପିଲାମାନେ କାହାକୁ ଫାଦର ମଡ଼ର୍ଣ୍ଣ କୁହାଯାଏ? ମଡ଼ର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ୍ ଗେମ୍ରେ କିଏ ଫାଦର କାହାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ? ନା ପେରି ଦ କବର୍ଟିନ୍. ପେରି ଡି କବର୍ଟିନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍. ତ ପିଲାମାନେ ଏହା ଥିଲା ଆଜିର ତୁମର କାଉନସିଲ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍କୁ ଆଖି ଆଗରେ ରଖି କିଛି ସିଲେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ MCQ. ସୋ ପିଲାମାନେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କର, ମନ ଦେଇ ପଢ଼, କାଉନସିଲ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ରେ ଭଲ କର. ଯଦି ଏହି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟିକୁ ତୁମକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥାଏ ଲାଇକ୍, ସେୟାର, ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଭୁଲିବ ନାହିଁ ଏବଂ କମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଭୁଲିବ ନାହିଁ. ସୋ ଆଉ ଦିନେ ତୁମମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ସହିତ ନୂଆ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ସହିତ ସାକ୍ଷାତ ହେବ. ଗୁଡ଼୍ ବାଏ.